The Fanttik S2 Pro Screwdriver is equipped with a powerful MagnaStorm motor that delivers up to 6 Newton meters of torque, making it ideal for tackling household tasks like furniture assembly and appliance repairs. With its mechanical electronic hybrid torque control system, the screwdriver offers 7 adjustable torque settings, allowing users to fine-tune power for delicate electronic repairs or more robust applications. The screwdriver comes with a sleek integrated storage case that uses a magnetic design for easy access to its 20 versatile bits, including a 90-degree angle adapter, which is perfect for tight spaces. The long-lasting 2000 milliampere-hour battery reduces the need for frequent charging, and the 5-volt, 2-ampere Type-C charging port ensures quick and universal recharging. A smart LED work light illuminates dim workspaces, and the charging indicator ring provides clear feedback on battery and charging status, enhancing the user experience. The Fanttik S2 Pro Screwdriver is a well-rounded tool that combines power, precision, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for both casual users and DIY enthusiasts.